3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this tutorial, I'll guide you through transferring USDT from Gate.io to OKX. Start by logging into your Gate.io account. Navigate to the Assets section in the top right menu and select the Spot account. Locate USDT in your asset list. If needed, use the search bar to find it quickly. Once you see USDT, click on the Withdraw option. Choose the appropriate network for the transfer. Since OKX doesn't support the BEP20 network, select the TRC20 network for compatibility. Next, log into your OKX account. Navigate to the Assets section in the top right menu and click My Assets. From here, select Deposit, choose USDT as the cryptocurrency, and pick the TRC20 network. Copy the wallet address provided and return to your Gate.io account. Paste the copied wallet address into the Withdrawal Address field. Enter the amount of USDT to transfer, ensuring it meets the minimum of 2 USDT, and click Withdraw to initiate the transfer. In about 2 to 3 minutes, check your USDT balance on OKX. Navigate to Assets, then My Assets, and finally the funding account to confirm that the transfer was successful.